This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a really unusual chain lock with a gear-driven double prong key. It's branded JC Lock, and the packaging advertises that this double key makes the lock double secure, which is technically true, though that doesn't necessarily mean anything. After all, 2 times 0 is still 0. But before we try to pick this, let's take a closer look at the key because it's actually pretty cool. Once you insert the prongs into this double keyway, you rotate the bow clockwise, which moves an internal gearbox that in turn rotates each of the prongs counterclockwise. It's interesting to watch, and we should take note of the counterclockwise rotation and the simultaneous turning of each of the prongs, because that's the motion that we're going to need to replicate when picking this open. Now, we certainly have an unusual keyway here, so you might suspect we need custom or unusual picks to open this, and that's not so. All we're going to use is this 30 thousandths thick turner and wave rake. They're both part of the Covert Instruments Genesis set. Let's give it a try. We're going to start on the right core, and there are 2 banks of pins, and I'm just going to alternate raking on both banks until we get a little bit of motion on this core. There we go. That one seems to be open. Let's move to the left keyway, and once again we're going to alternate between 2 banks of pins. And now that we have both of them turned, I'm going to advance each one a little bit at a time until they're at 90 degrees, at which point the lock is open. Okay, folks, there's nothing inherently hard about picking this lock. Sure, they used a couple of flashy tricks that may intimidate some pickers, but in the final analysis, it really didn't do much. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.